Alright, this is an African tortoise shell. I actually got this from a friend who's a taxidermist, and this turtle died in a pet store. I had this turtle for a couple of weeks actually, and I just had it in a trash bag in my freezer. And I finally decided to clean him up, so I had him macerating in a tub in my backyard for I think 3 days before everything was out of the shell. I still have all of his little bones out there in the tub, and I plan on putting him back together eventually. I'm gonna have a little skeleton turtle. But this is just gonna be me putting this turtle shell back together. All these little scutes here, which are the pieces that would normally cover the shell. Let's see if I can find. Wow, if I knew what I was doing, maybe. Yeah, they all fit on. We'll cover the whole shell and around the edges here, and on the bottom too. And I'm actually missing one. It's in my backyard somewhere, so I just have to find it before we mow. I think it's this one, but I will find that. And then this shell is actually pretty fragile. I've got a pretty nasty crack going right there, but I think it'll be alright. When I pulled him out of the water, this part actually completely fell off. This is the part that goes right here. It's this part. So I think we should be able to get that back together. That shouldn't be too hard. Cool. Alright, so I am going to be using, this is what I usually use, gel Gorilla Glue. It works pretty well. And I'm going to be putting all of these scutes back on, except for the one I'm missing. And I might try to patch this crack in here, because some of the scutes might not fit right, since that crack is pretty decent. But I guess we'll find out. Alright, here we go.